This video is going to show you how to create an RFQ. Begin by filling out the delivery address for your order. Next, enter the order number you would like to use. This can be a PO number or anything else you would like to use for your reference. Next, you'll select how you want the item to ship. First, you'll indicate your carrier of choice as well as the shipping terms. The other two fields in this section will indicate when you need the vendors to have their bids submitted and when the order is due to be delivered at your shipping address. Lastly, tell us what terms you prefer to pay in, but keep in mind that shorter payment terms will make your listing more attractive to vendors. At this point, we are ready to enter the list of material. Let's say you want to order some stud bolts. The stud bolts for this order are B7 material, and they have a Teflon blue coating. The dimensions are 5/8 inches in diameter with an 11 thread pitch and a 3.5 inch length. There are no country of origin restrictions on these stud bolts, so we can move on. Next, we will write in the full description of the item. This is the most important part of the item entry, since the drop-down tabs are simply for indexing. The item description will tell the vendor what item you are looking for, so it is crucial to be as descriptive as possible here. Next, we'll add some flanges. They are raised base weld neck flanges. The material is A105, and they have a 150-pound class rating. The dimensions are 4 inches, Chinese material is unacceptable, and the material test reports, or MTRs, are required with the item. When writing the description for this item, the full information description is again the most important part, and all information must be entered, including the bore specification. Lastly, let's say we have some tubing to enter. Since this list was primarily designed for fasteners and fittings, we will need to add this item manually. By selecting Other, I can enter the characteristics of the tubing I wish to purchase. Now, the characteristics I entered may be selected from the drop-down menus. Now, I can enter the description for this tubing, which in this case is a 1/2 inch by 0.049 wall thickness in 3/16 seamless stainless. We are now ready to submit the RFQ and wait for bids to come in. Once you have received at least one bid, you may continue to the final step. Simply click on that bid, and another video will help you complete the transaction.